Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing and trying on the Color Bomb synthetic lace front wig from Outre, and I got this hair from EbonyLine, as in the EbonyLine.com, and I have it in the style Chara in the color DRP4 Banana Caramel. So I'm just showing you the package that the hair came in. This hair comes with HD transparent lace, and it's also made of heat resistant fiber, and it's safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So with this hair, as you can see, I'm just trying to see how well the lace matches to my skin. It's still a little bit off, but we are going to tint it using some foundation later. The hair also comes with a 5-inch deep lace parting, natural baby hairs, and it's pre-plucked HD lace. So just to prepare for the application of this wig, I'm just gonna grab some regular rubbing alcohol and rub my hairline just to remove any extra oils or moisturizers that I may have in that area. Now, I don't really glue my wigs down often, but EbonyLine was kind enough to send me their safe SIF lace glue, and it comes in a kit with the lace glue remover, and the glue applicator. They smell really great, and thank you EbonyLine, really appreciate that. So let's head into the application. So this is how I say all the girls on YouTube do this. They do this dot type motion with the glue in front of the hairline. Remember, don't put the glue on your edges or on your hairline. We're trying to save the edges over here. And this glue did say to apply the first layer. I'm gonna use the applicator to spread it, wait until it gets clear and tacky, and then you can apply more layers if you so desire. So I intended to keep this wig on for a few days, so I did about 3 layers. So between each layer, I just waited until it got clear, then I applied the next layer, then the next layer. Like, if you're a wig expert, a lace wig expert, then you know. I'm not the expert, but just a try thing what I see all the lace glue people do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Now, in true Lindsey fashion, I forgot to try on the wig just to see how it would fit, how it would look, and surprise, the wig was just a little bit tight, but don't worry, I'm gonna smile at my head and I made it work. And I did tint the lace off camera using my foundation. I just put a little bit of my makeup on the lace, that's my skin color, on the inside of the lace, and just patted it gently. And that's how I did my bleach the knots or tint the wig. That's how I do it. You can use a lace tint spray, you can do it the old-fashioned way of tinting your lace, but listen, I had things to do, places to go, and people to see, so I had to get this done quickly. So as I'm pulling the wig forward, I'm just gonna press it down gently, section by section, onto the glue, and I mean, it stayed pretty well, So for this application, I just went ahead and used my molding wrap and tied it around the lace. You can go ahead and use a blow dryer to melt the lace even more. In my previous wig video, I cut the lace in 3 sections. You can do that. There's more than one ways to apply your lace. You just do what works best for you, but I just wanted to try different methods until I find one that I prefer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tie that down. So now I'm just gonna go in and take out some baby hairs, because as I said earlier, the hair did come with some pre-plucked baby hairs, but I'm just gonna go in and I kind of lost them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and find some more. So in preparation of cutting the lace, I'm just gonna go ahead and plait up the baby hairs and pin them out of the way. Another thing with this wig, even though it did come with a 5-inch deep lace parting, it was still a little bit too thin for my liking, and I could not find my tweezers, so this is my bootleg way of plucking my parting. Please use tweezers, don't rip your lace, else it will be like there's a problem there. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the molding wrap because the lace felt pretty, tight and secure on my head, and I'm just gonna go in and cut the lace, the excess lace off, that is. Okay, I couldn't help myself. I still went in and did a little bit of sectioning with the lace just to make sure the sides and the middle got, they stuck on pretty well, because for some reason the sides, especially those ear flaps, tend to be a little problematic. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off in like a zigzag motion. I don't really do a straight motion because I don't want to look like a Barbie doll. So I'm just gonna go and cut it as close to the hairline as possible, but leaving enough lace to be able to stick on to the lace glue that we applied earlier. Then I'm gonna go in and cut the baby hairs. If you want baby hairs, adult hairs, teen hairs, no hairs, that's completely up to you. I just wanted it to cover the lace a little bit. Then I'm just gonna use my mousse and just, you know, lay them down. I prefer using the mousse instead of gel. You know, it just gives it a more like free-flowing natural look. And I'm gonna tie that down, do my makeup, and we'll be back. All right, beautiful people, and we are done. So this hair comes with some highlights. They call it piano highlights, and I'm just gonna test the shedding a little bit. I only got like just a few strands, nothing crazy, you know. I didn't, you know, overpluck or anything, so I wasn't expecting too much shedding. But honestly, I did not think I was gonna like this hair as much as I did. Like, I mean, I've done blonde before, but I've never done something two-tone like this. But I ended up wearing this for a few days, and I really liked it. It held up pretty well for the few days. It wasn't overly stiff or anything, and let me tell you, blondes have more fun, and I was having a blast with this hair. All right, people, don't forget to follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth, and follow EbonyLine on all socials as well. I'll leave the link to their socials down below in the description box. Thank you guys, as always, so much for watching. I know summer is done, but we can still squeeze in a little bit of color, a little bit of fun, or can this be like a fall vibe? I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. All right, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye.